Guys, welcome back to my channel, and well, welcome to my restroom. And well, actually, this is my guest restroom, but you know, neither here nor there. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys what my nighttime skincare routine looks like after I take off the entire beat, what I use as far as my favorite serums, moisturizers, literally everything, makeup removers, anything that you can think of, I have laid out all right here. And if you're curious to see what my favorite products are for my nighttime routine, then keep on watching. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is take these lashes off. So I'm going to just grab those right off. Ugh, that feels so good. Usually I put these back in a bottle, but for now they're just going to go on this Tiffany plate and they're just going to live there. Next thing I would do is I would actually take off my face makeup. So I'm going to do that today using the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Now this is just like a baby one that I have been working on, but trust me, I have backups. This is one of the best makeup removers I feel is out there. This gets everything off without having to use so much product. Like, I can use that and that'll do my entire face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this and start massaging it all over my face. And of course this is going to help break up all the makeup, everything, all the full coverage foundation that we have on, the layers of powder that we have on, literally everything. And I'm going to work that into the brows. Now, I am going to avoid the eye area with the balm because I have a separate makeup remover for that. Of course I do. Really work into the nose, really work into the under eye. As you can see, all my makeup is now pretty much melted all the way off. So if you see me kind of staring, I'm looking into the mirror right behind my camera. I also have my viewfinder right over there so I can see. There we go. Now everything is completely taken off. After I have completely melted off my makeup, I'm going to grab a wipe. These are the Clinique Take the Day Off Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. So, makeup wipe. And we're going to just take off the, oh yeah, see what I mean? It takes everything right off. So normally you can just go in and rinse, but I like to do it this way. I feel like it's a little bit cleaner, a little bit more manageable. We don't have to go into the sink just yet. Also taking off my lip product. So as you can see, I have completely taken off my entire base makeup with just 2 products. But does it stop there? No, of course it doesn't. The next thing I'm going to do is of course take off my eye makeup using the Lancôme Bi-Facil. Now look, I can run my mouth about plenty of things, but when I say this is one of the best eye makeup removers, it is. Now it is a little bit pricey because it is Lancôme, but you know, you get what you pay for. And of course I'm just going to put that on a cotton ball. Now the way I like to use this product is I place it on my eye first. Kind of just leave it there for a couple seconds. And then, once I feel like I've had it on long enough, I'm going to start to take off the makeup. So you see how much that took off just in that little swipe. Now, doing this method will, you know, decrease tugging on the eyes. You don't want to be tugging on the eyes too much. That causes premature wrinkles, and that is just something that we are not going to do right now. Pretty much, I'm now just taking off the mascara. You can always use the other side because it does soak through. Now you see, we have completely taken off all that eye makeup. So repeat it on the other side. Now after I take off the makeup with the Bi-Facil, I always like to go in with another makeup wipe and just kind of generally pass through the areas to see if it left anything. Usually it does. Yeah, usually it doesn't. Like, that's just kind of like my leftover like foundation. Usually the Bi-Facil takes off all the eye makeup. After that, we're going to go into this. Now, this is a Miracle Water Anti-Aging 3-in-1 Glow Tonic by It Cosmetics. I was actually given this for free, so I, might as well. I like this like as a second, almost, I guess, cleanse before I go in with my actual cleanser. I kind of just like to pass this through the face. And this is going to kind of pick up anything that's like left over on the skin. This says Skin Brightening Radiance Booster Anti-Aging Treatment Essence Skin Softening Micellar Cleanser. Now I don't know about all that. It definitely grabs, whatever is left over. After I get to like my cleanser and my toner, I don't want to see anything on the con pad after my toner. So this is why I try to take off all the makeup with more steps, I guess you could say. So I don't know if you can use this on the eye, but I usually kind of just pass it through. Alright, so now the skin feels nice and makeup free. So now I'm going to go in with my cleanser. For cleanser, I'm going to use my Holy Grail Clinique cleanser. This is the Clinique Liquid Facial Soap Oily Skin Formula. This is great for a combination oily skin. Now, I have been using this for a couple years now and I love it. Oh, I guess that tonic does give you like a little bit of a glow. I use this every day like in the shower, and I usually like to pair it up with my sonic brush. So I'm just going to do like a solid pump. You don't need a lot of this because this foams up a lot. Turn it on so it is the sonic brush so it vibrates. Then I'm just going to start cleansing the face. Right. So now that I have officially washed my face with my sonic brush, look at how nasty that leaves it. But it rinses right out, which is nice. So I'm just going to now rinse this all off and I'll be right back. Okay, so after we have rinsed everything off, we're going to grab our towel and pat dry. Little life hack for everybody. If you don't like water running all down your arm, get some wristbands because as you can see, it catches all the water and then you stay dry. Now we're going to move on to toner. For toner, I'm using the Clinique Acne Solutions Clarifying Lotion. So this has a little powder at the bottom that you shake up and then you use it all over the face. It's going to, of course, help you keep your skin clear. I have also been using this for a couple years and I love this stuff. It's a little intense, I'm not going to lie. This is not for everybody, but if you have more acne prone skin, then I recommend this all the way. So you see how on the con pad, there's no or barely any makeup? This is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want any makeup left over by the time we got to this step, so we achieved that. Then again, I also used like 6 different products before we got here, but who's counting? Before I go on with any serums, I always like to just use the Badescu Lavender Face Spray. Now, I don't know if this does anything, but it's refreshing. Now, I like to start with under the eyes first and then move on to the rest of the face. So, for under the eye, I'm going to use this New Face Fix Line Smoothing Serum. This is a little intense too. This kind of burns, but no pain, no gain. Has this little tip that's nice and cooling, of course. Kind of reminds me of the Tatcha eye cream. So I only like to use a little bit of this, and then I just massage under the eye where the puffiness may be or where my fine lines may be. That's that eye cream. This is the best. Oh my god, this stings, y'all. Like, I feel like it works pretty well, I guess. I don't know. It stings though. This is the best eye cream. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 96 Hour Hydro Filler. This is amazing. This keeps you moisturized, hydrated, plump, everything under the eye for 96 hours. This is the good stuff. The Clinique one is very gentle under the eye, but it's definitely kind of a lot. I mean, the Clinique one is going to brighten, tighten, smooth, hydrate, and of course, the new face one is made to help with line smoothing, so definitely a combo. Apparently, you're not supposed to take eye cream on top because it makes your eyes swell, but I don't know. I've been doing it for a long time. I don't particularly like to do it with this one. I feel like on top of the eyes, it's a little sticky. Then I'm going to take my Jade roller here that I just took out of the fridge. Oh yeah. And just massage, massage, massage. Jade rollers are so amazing. Or even the rose quartz ones. I don't know, I haven't tried the rose quartz one. But the Jade one that I have, obviously that I'm using, is so good. Right, now let's move on to the face. For face, I like to use a lot of things. I'm going to first start off, of course, with my serums. One of the serums that I love to use, of course, is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Now, this is an OG favorite. This is actually a brand new bottle that I just opened. This is so good to just like revitalize the skin. Just putting a little bit into my hand. Going to pat it. Now you don't need to use a lot of this because it is very concentrated. Of course, all the ingredients in there. If you've ever heard of Advanced Night Repair, then you know how good it is. Just does everything for you. I also have the new Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. Now, I have been using this on and off for a couple months, and I don't really know what it does. I usually kind of just focus it in these general areas. Like I'll put it on my forehead, on my cheek area, my nose area. I'll take my Jade roller and kind of just massage it in. And I feel like these two together are not necessary, but more is more, isn't it? Alrighty, now our skin is nice and glowy. After those two products, I'm ready for some moisturizer. For moisturizer today, I'm going to use the Clinique for Men Maximum Hydrator 72 Hour Auto-Replenishing. Of course, this is blue. Now I'm going to grab about that much. Before I apply this to the face, I'm going to mix in the Clinique Fresh Pressed Vitamin C Daily Booster. Now this is technically made for the daytime, but I love vitamin C because of course it's going to brighten, retexturize, smooth. Then I just mix both of them together and apply it to the skin. So I recently just got into the Clinique for Men Moisture Surge, but I have been using the original Moisture Surge 72 Hours for years now. I do think I like the Moisture Surge Men texture a little bit more. It just feels a little bit thicker, but still super lightweight because I do have oily skin. So I do prefer more of a gel texture, even at nighttime, because I add so much product on top of it that I feel like I can get away with just using a gel moisturizer. Now, one of the last steps I like to do, of course, is seal my moisturizer with an oil. So this is the Botanics 100% organic rosehip oil. Now, rosehip oil is very beneficial to the skin. I follow this page on Instagram called The Skincare Alchemist. Nicole, shout out to you. And she has so much information on different kinds of skincare and different kinds of oils that I actually started using rosehip oil because of her posts and her recommendations. So thanks to Nicole, here I am, adding another step to my routine. So what I like to do is I always do just 2 drops, one on the forehead, and then I always do just a little on the lip. Then of course I just smooth that into the skin. Now I think rosehip oil is great for my skin personally. I don't think it's too heavy. I don't think it's too greasy, but I feel nice and hydrated. Of course, you want to use an oil to seal your moisturizer, and you'll see just the added benefits as far as your skin hydration goes. Now, before I finish everything off, I do go back in with this spray. Again, I don't know if it does anything. The last thing I like to do is apply a lip balm. I have been loving this. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydro-Plump Lip Treatment. This is amazing, y'all. If you want like a nice, thick nighttime or daytime lip balm, this is it. It's in a squeeze tube. Massage it in. You can use this as a night mask, or I like to use it just during the day as like my lip balm. I've also been loving the Awake. Oh, this is daytime. Well, the Awake Daytime Lip Mask. I've been loving this one. This is in watermelon. But I just love the Clinique one. It's so hydrating. It's not sticky. I feel nice and plump and hydrated without any of the negative effects of like a thick lip balm. Now, before everything is said and done, I'm ready for bed. I like to grab the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Clearing Gel and put this just on any blemishes I see. I have a couple coming in here and there. Now, what's great about this is I feel like you can put it, even though I have so much stuff on, I feel like I can put it straight on and it'll still penetrate wherever I need it to. Alright guys, and that's it. That is my complete nighttime skincare routine. Of course, I kind of adjust it here and there for what I need in everyday life, whether I'm wearing makeup or not wearing makeup. I adjust it a little bit here and there, but for the most part, these are all my favorite current products that I am using in order to get by in my nighttime routine. Let me know if you use any of these products that I said here today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Please do all the things for me. I have a bunch of videos coming out soon, so keep your notification bell on, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.